Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to Richie Tech. Please go and subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and stay connected with the notification bell. Okay, so today's video is about how to get 500 megabytes data daily on MTN. Yeah, and sometimes you can use it up to the whole day without finishing the data. So this app is called ALFAISAL VPN. Yes, VPN, virtual private network, and this will connect you to the internet the whole day just with the app. You don't need to buy data to get this, but what you have to do is get at least 24 megabytes minimum of data to get and download the app and click on the update and just do a little bit of settings, then you are on it. So let's get into it. Actually, I don't have any data. You can check for my balance. So as you can see, I have 5 gigabytes of data, but trust me, this is midnight data. All this is midnight data. So to see it, let's check it. And my data in C, you can see sign into network MTN, and it shows that I don't have internet. You're out of data. Buy data via Momo to continue. So I actually have 0 data, but you have to go to the Play Store and download the ALFAISAL app. This is the app I'll show you here. Yes, this is the app, ALFAISAL. Yeah, this is the app you download on Play Store. It's available, it's free. Yeah, so go to Play Store and download it. With just a minimum of 24 megabytes, you can download it. And if you download it, you can open it. So after opening it, you have to turn on the data and wait for an update to pop up. Then you click on it. Defaultly, the server will be at auto select. Then the network will be at Palestine. But this one you have to select server 1 Germany. Then the Ghana MTN to be at Palestine. So you scroll down to find Ghana MTN 500 daily. Then you select that one. After selecting that one, you can successfully click on your connect button. And there are other ones too down here. If that one is not working, you can use the MTN mashup pack, and that will successfully work for you. So after these settings, you go back and you can click on the start. But bear this in mind, you don't need any settings like APN settings or anything like that. Yeah, you can go to your network and use the default settings you are using to connect your data. Yeah, so you can go to network and mobile network settings. If you don't use MMS or don't create any new one, you can just use your MTN Ghana. That's the default one, internet today. So that's what you are going to use to connect the internet. Then after that one, you can click on start and wait for connection. So you can see it is successfully connected and the VPN is working and it's very fast. So let's go to YouTube and see. You can see the video. The network is very fast because it's a VPN. It runs very fast. Everything works smoothly. Okay, you can see everything working. So let's go to IG and see there too. So as you can see, the video is working, no lagging, nothing. It's just working like you're using your data. So this is how the VPN works. If you are getting some errors or it's not working, please drop your comment down the comment section and I'll be glad to reply you and show you the way. So thanks for watching.